First, open Google Chrome. Go to the TikTok website. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. A new menu will appear. Click Install Page as App. A small confirmation window will pop up. Click Install. Now, wait a few seconds while Chrome installs TikTok as a desktop app. After the installation is complete, the TikTok app will open automatically in its own window. You can now use TikTok just like a desktop application without opening it in a browser tab. That's it. This is how you can download TikTok on your PC using Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.